wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best parallettes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, capable of supporting up to 250 pounds, the Vita Vibe MP12 are surprisingly strong for such a small pair. They're ideal for those who don't have a lot of space to work with or who like to keep up their fitness routine while on the road. They're made from powder-coated aluminum in the United States. However, they don't provide enough clearance for some moves. At number 9, with the tumbl trak blue, business trips and vacations will no longer serve as an excuse for skipping your workouts. Not only do the sturdy rails easily detach from the base stands, they slide inside them for storage and portability. They come with a travel bag and rubber bottoms to prevent them sliding, but perspiration can make them slippery. Coming in at number 8 in our list, thanks to soft handles, exercising regularly with the Relife Rebuild Stabilizer won't produce sore hands. Whether you're targeting your chest, back, arms, legs or core, their thick rubber feet keep them from sliding around. The height is adjustable and they allow for a full body workout. However, they can wobble slightly under heavy loads. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Parallettes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, lightweight and portable, the withgear Premium come with a sturdy travel case that'll fit into most backpacks and duffel bags. An internal elastic band system ensures that if you disassemble them for storage, all the pieces will remain connected. These are a convenient folding design, and you can choose from single or double bars. They're backed by a 1-year warranty. Moving up our list to number 6, the ankle stretch come in 2 sizes, so they should suit anyone from young athletes just getting started to more experienced users who've been training for years. The bar is situated at a level ideal for both push-ups and L sets. These feature stable triangular bases and attractive varnished wood, and they can be sanded to enhance the grip. Halfway up our list at number 5, whether you want to improve your upper body strength or just stay in shape, the Simple Fitness Steel can help. They come in a convenient size and support a lot of weight, but they don't take up much space. They allow for an extensive range of motion, and the hand grips are removable. They promise a quick and easy assembly. At number 4, a versatile set that can be utilized for a variety of exercises and gymnastics moves. The Core Prodigy P-Fit are built from powder-coated steel and have been tested to withstand more than 500 pounds. They're ideal for balancing, stretching, planks, and more. They include tape to wrap around the bars and an instructional poster, and they can double as yoga wheels. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, a stout heavy-duty option that won't bend or warp. The Juperbsky bars provide a complete upper body workout. The ends of the bases have solid caps for stability, and the wide handles enable you to maintain a tight grip. These are available in several colors, and you can choose from 2 sizes. They're high enough for L sets. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Parallettes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you shouldn't have to worry about these wobbling or collapsing, as the Lebert Signature are heavy-duty enough to withstand years of robust use. You can choose from black, chrome or yellow, and they're easy to put together. They come with a workout program and durable abrasion-resistant grips. They're made from sleek stainless steel. And taking the top spot on our list, suitable for all fitness levels, the textured surface on the Body Power Strength helps to prevent your hands from slipping, even when they get a bit sweaty. These are sturdy, have non-skid rubber feet, and can support nearly 400 pounds. They're resistant to rust and feature an attractive black finish and strong welds for reliable stability. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Parallettes, or simply click beneath this video.